Hello, in this video I will show you how you can open safe mode on POCO M7 Pro. First of all, you have to completely power off your POCO M7 Pro by using power button and volume up button. Press it in the same time and now in the power section swipe up to power off. Now you have to hold power button only, and when POCO logo appears you have to keep spamming, keep clicking volume down button. Let me show you. Now POCO logo appears and I am spamming volume down button. After 1 second, when POCO logo appears, you have to keep clicking on the volume down button. I'm clicking, I'm not holding. I'm just keep clicking on it. And after that, it should be vibrate over here. Now you can release your fingers and it should be boot into the safe mode. Yes, as you can see, I am in the safe mode right now. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.